Who should rescue the do? What do you they do safe? You not tell me say, but you tell me say you not get work. What do you they do? The man say, I beg. Why? Why you they look everywhere before you talk to me? Na drug. Na drug. Na drug you they carry. As I dey talk to you so, I get almost 10 kilo. No fear, no fear. I go spend the money for your heads. The 10 kilo wey dey with Tana stash. Stash what they do fufu. He buy all this one where they sell for one euro something. Ona mo para fian yeva. Ona mo lele ade because the girl we yen lele. Ona do ye mo ya deceive. Ona mo la dia. Where you see her? This one will work 500,000 euro. I go help you pay your madam finish. Your father house, I go renovate am. You see this thing now? I will give you, make you hold on. Okay? Please, don't tell any of your friends. Trust me, I'm going to change your life. The girl begin to fall in love. The girl begin to happy.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, you get one video when I just see just now where Mommy Yore do. The video really makes sense, like seriously. It really makes sense where because some of our girls, person really need to talk to them. This girl, when I listen, when I go listen, I go put the video, but I just touchlight some kind things when Mommy Yore talk. Say this girl, the man they toast him, he don't gree for him. The man, because the man tell and say in a baba, the girl can say, the girl not gree. So when the boy can't lie to the girl now say, in they carry a mwen. In they carry a mwen. I know wetin be a mwen now. Now wetin in they do. Now be that one. So in don't start to do that one now. No worry. I go help you pay your igbese. And I go see the same money go give your man. I go buy many things for your mama. The girl come happy. The girl come begin. They call the boy Oni. He come begin. The boy self come even they use style. They collect money from him. The boy come tie stash. Go give am say na a mwen. He say make he help and keep him. So because he see that one now, he can begin to give the boy money. When I go listen to this video, he go really give una many sense. Some of una way they behave like that, he go give una sense well. Now the girl come dey happy say, he don't see boyfriend do. He don't see boyfriend do. What they call end that, my darling people? I go put the video more than listening to what Mommy Yore can talk now. Whether the girl see chichi money any dine for the guy and una go watch am for the video. Thank you, my darling people. More help me share this video because the video it carry weight. It wear cocoa shoe. And if you want start to the wash and see that jejeje, make you carry your popcorn. No, this one
Who should rescue the do? What do you they do safe? You not tell me say, but you tell me say you not get work. What do you they do? The man say, I beg. Why? Why you they look everywhere before you talk to me? Na drug. Na drug. Na drug you they carry. As I dey talk to you so, I get almost 10 kilo. No fear, no fear. I go spend the money for your heads. The 10 kilo wey dey with Tana stash. Stash what they do fufu. He buy all this one where they sell for one euro something. Ona mo para fian yeva. Ona mo lele ade because the girl we yen lele. Ona do ye mo ya deceive. Ona mo la dia. Where you see her? This one will work 500,000 euro. I go help you pay your madam finish. your father house, I go renovate am. You see this thing now? I will give you, make you hold on. Okay? Please, don't tell any of your friends. Trust me, I'm going to change your life. The girl begin to fall in love. The girl begin to happy. And they come here, call my mama, and may you greet my mother. He greets mama, said, "Do." He said, mama said, "Do my pikin. Do, I dey hungry oh." He said, "Mama, don't worry. I will buy you keke nape. I will take good care of you. So I want to call the madam of your daughter. I want to pay all the money finish." This girl begin to, he said, he never reach house. The girl begin to call her, honey, I dey miss you. This is the person where they toast for how many years? You know, grief for her. Honey, I dey miss you. Honey, come my house now. Honey, salo bois. Honey, I not gonna know why I can't love you. I can't love you now where more than before. Because of more a star she not die. He say he go there. He go collect 500 euro from her. You know the me 500 euro. Ona aka here gbogun ye pay madam. I wanna wear ye pay madam. You know pay madam ye mo to in Nigeria. You na go pay 40,000 in madam ye me. Any okuna we ran you go be agbe. Opia no amare, opia no guy one naira eri enwe. Hello, from Jamie.
Hello, come to your side too well.
Society where call me Jamie. Okay, eti Jesu Christi no do mi mafa. Eti oba no jo tag mona ya. Ugalu anoti oye women ogogogo wagamie. Ugalu anoti oye women in the name of Jesus Christ. A deliverance you ga receive. Why were the su sebe bonu wajeni? Why the hospital? Eti Jesu Christi no mi mafa.
It's
Come, bye bye.
Western money. It's Western money.
He said, "This guy, he get begi okinye be call. E call la take be call ga zo momo. Oni, they miss you. You not see it starting, you not see your bo. Oga me tinye. Oh, we know this more time. Mama begin to call her my in-law. My in-law do. My in-law do. My in-law do. You know where? Do. No worry. As you are your pikin, when I want play me, ya come where I said we were. We na be hakia, you know me 2,000 euro. And I invest because of what piano mego. When this boy tell us say a customer game and it be to be store, o makwene. I think when I know where uni, I be an muda you know metro. What day ya no where madam you want do hair, madam you want do hair, e manire Parisian, I might also know where wabe. E Parisian na we, e Chateau d'Eau, Macadec, Chateau Rouge. E might also know Italy, Germany, Spain, but e France, e Paris. Ya be where we send the ya be where we perfect. Area ne salu we von na weto. E boy ni to ti a customer. Or it's ya me se be ya do re customer pack ya e 5 euro or okay way. That no how wa be fio ya be do or 15 euro. E boy ni o. E get na me emu. So I we a month so 400. Okay, do pay go wa. Oh we go mo borrow. Oh we but pana do advice here we. I mean yana. Igo ya gwalo. I wo me yana ruwa ma ka me get tu mu. Play. We are not again. Now 6,000 euro. And then you me a stash. You not get call away. Beep. Delete my number. Come on for your phone. Hey, Ogbas. It don't yawa. You need why now? If let's say you know if you never come up from my house. Now, I told her the see message. After 2 weeks, the boy come home in phone. Now the time I way, ogbale gbodi yen ji bete case me info. Ige lawyer yen gi gwa lona. O wa ije mamie. Ikeke na pe ije mamie. E madam no hu gwe pe o mami. Ona be do invest jo. Many of them ya watch me. Ya delay John a message na. Veni guana ya ata. Hey, e mo mi jore wa in story me. A o gara gbe to iku deju we. O bi a wata ma we mi ni ewu. Value e very o. E puche e no toge ma we. E puche e no ya gbobo ye no makeke no gbobo ye. Oh, we have me. Tu lake. Akware oga me. Even me with Paris. When area ni na mesto. Area ni zigizigi no. Ibi gbove ba ibi jo ba ibi edo. Agbon ya wa amutale lukpo so area ni me na me the story. Ya wan egbe we sister. Okay? Ya wan egbe we.